Just a little intro there, Gomer. Howdy, folks. Welcome to the one and only original country band musical Jamboree, featuring a wild and woolly assortment of grizzled old grizzlies singing a little country, a little western, and a whole lot of everything in between. So get those paws tapping and those claws clapping for five bears who need no introduction, but I'll give them one anyway. Let's hear it for the Five Bear Rocks! Get it, boys!
Slapping toe, tapping jubilee.
Coming early, playing late.
No time to even hibernate.
After all our years together, I can still barely wait
For a country band musical jamboree.
Settle in, bring all your friends.
We'll truly wanna come again.
We've got some fancy prancing and some bear square dancing.
Most fun I had since I crawled out of the den.
It's our country bear musical jamboree.
They still sound pretty good.
And now, sweeter than a hive full of honey, it's our very own Trixie and the talented trio, Bunny, Bubbles, and Beulah. Or is it Beulah, Bunny, and Bubbles? Well, any way you count it, they're triple the fun. Okay, boys, now why don't we try something a little different? How about a love song, man?
There you see her, sit there across the way. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her. And you don't know why, but you're dying to try. You wanna kiss the girl. Everybody now. La 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 la, my oh my, but you're way too shy. Gonna kiss the girl. La 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 la, ain't that sad? Ain't it seem to play? Gonna kiss the girl.
Oh, well, Romeo, there's plenty of fish in the sea.
Fish? You're making me hungry.
Not me, I'm stuffed. Yeah.
Okay, now, our next performer used to play with the Mineral Kings, but he's here now. A furry firestorm of fiddling Floridian fury. Take it away, Ernest.
Wow, that bear is smoking.
Yeah, he's on fire today.
Yeah, he's really burning for a fiddle country. Can't believe we have a fiddle country.
Y'all swing by and see me sometime.
I would, but I'm scared of heights.
And I'm scared of swings.
You know, it might surprise you to learn that our next performer is still an eligible bachelor.
Is it the clumpy way he walks?
Or the frumpy way he talks.
Or the pear-shaped, square-shaped weirdness of his feet.
And though we know he washes well,
He always ends up sort of smelly.
But you'll never be a fella who's as sensitive as everyone's been a fixer-upper. That's what it's all about. Raise yourself and round the south. Everyone's been a fixer-upper. When push comes to shove, the only fixer-upper that fixer-upper is true. Love. Remember me. Oh, I had to say goodbye. Remember me. Just don't let it make you cry. Too sad. I can't go home. Poor guy. Poor curtains.
Well, folks, I'd say that's a rendition we'll remember for a long time. Now, how about we do one of my favorites? You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. I say you got problems. I got them too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. We stick together, we can see it through, 'cause you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me.
Aw, say, Henry, why don't we invite all our friends out there to join us for the finale?
Great idea, Sammy. Hey, gang, hit it! Look for the bad necessities, the simple bad necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. Rounding the bare necessities, that's why you better get left to eat. Just the bare necessities of life. Wherever I wander, wherever I roam, I couldn't be fonder of coming home. But these are buzzing industries, make some money just for me. When you look under the rocks and plants and take like they're fancy and so maybe try a few. The bare necessities of life will come to you. They'll come to you. What the?
Hey, stop!
Okay, well, that's enough.
You already had your chance.
Wait a minute.
Hey, Henry, get the hook. Forget the hook. Get a bear trap. Rufus the guy. Remember.
Well, folks, this concludes our show. As you can see, we're still barely keeping it together. Now gather up all your bare necessities and exit out the doors on your right. What do you say, Sammy?